Welcome to Nand to Infinity. In this video we'll be discussing how to make a few basic logic gates. Before we do that though, we will have to introduce truth tables, which are a way to express what a logic gate does. It essentially has columns representing the inputs and the outputs of the logic gate. As you can see on my side, there is the truth table of the NAND gate. The first gate we will be making is the NOT gate, which essentially just outputs the opposite of the input. It is right over there, the truth table. And the way you make a NOT gate with a NAND gate is by directing both of the inputs to the same output. To both of the inputs to the one single NAND gate input. This allows us to, this would require when, that means it takes one NAND gate to create a NOT gate. Now on the other hand, to create an AND gate, whose truth table is over here, you need to use two NAND gates. And then to create it, you have to realize that an AND gate is the opposite of a NAND gate. Hence the name NAND, not AND. So we just need to inverse the output of the NAND gate to create an AND gate. Thank you for watching.